Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing these cute Kuromi balloons. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top, and we're going to start by drawing the skull bow on the middle balloon. Let's start with a curve. Then bring it down from both sides. And a line across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw two angled ovals for the eyes. And then hop down and let's draw two lines at the bottom. And that's it for the skull. Now let's draw a curve out, down, and back in on both sides. And then one curve inside each side of the bow. Next, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the balloon. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up and bring it around like this. Now let's hop underneath the bow and let's draw two curves down and out, and a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the balloon. Now let's zoom in and let's draw the face. Inside, let's draw a V shape in the middle. Then from both ends, let's curve it out and back in. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve across. Now let's move inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with an angled line down on both sides. And then a large curve underneath. And then color both of the eyes in black. Next, on the top corner of each eye, let's add two eyelashes. And then hop to the middle and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's draw the skull on the forehead. Let's start with the line across. Then let's bring it up on both sides. And then a curve on top. Now inside, let's draw two angled ovals for the eyes. And then two lines at the bottom. Lastly, for this balloon, let's move to the top and add the ears. Let's start with two angles up on the top left, and the same on the right side. Now let's bring both of them up, meeting at a point. And then let's add a circle at the end of each one. And that's it for the middle balloon. Now let's move out and let's draw the two on the sides. Let's start on the bottom left here, and we're going to start by drawing a skull on an angle. Let's draw a curve for the top. Then bring it down. And a line across. Now let's do the same shape on the right side. Now let's move in and let's draw the eyes. And then 2 lines at the bottom. Now on both sides of the skull, let's draw the sides of the bow. And then a curve inside each one. Now that we have the bows, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the balloons. Next to the bow, let's start by drawing a curve up, and the same on the right. Now let's hop up and let's draw a bump out, and then one more curve out and back in to form a heart shape. Now let's move down underneath each of the skulls and let's draw 2 angles down. And then curves across the bottom. Now that we have the main parts of the balloon, let's move down and add the strings. In the center, let's draw a line down. And then curves coming down from the side balloons. Now at the bottom here, let's add another skull bow. Let's start with the curve, lines down, and close off the bottom. And again, let's add the eyes. And 2 lines at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's draw the sides of the bow. And curves inside. Now underneath the bow, let's draw the ends of the strings. Let's draw a wavy line down in the center, and then one more on the left and on the right. And that's it for these cute Kuromi balloons. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!